Hey!
Oh.
Done with it. He said he's never swinged me or anything like that.
No! No! No!
Muy bien.
Oh.
See, salt water.
What? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I said she should have make out.
No, 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 no.
Procedure, everyone. What's the procedure? Stay calm.
Oh my god.
Shaking the other end and
It's okay, Simon. You're being a good boy.
Give me this one.
Ready?
She's thinking about it.
I'm gonna have Piper get you.
I do not like the song. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
Sit. Sit.
so yummy.
Yummy.
Yum, 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 yum.
God is about to turn your situation around. Heavenly Father, I come before you with a heart full of hope and anticipation. Your word in Romans 8, verse 28 says, "And we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love him."
Bella, you gotta move. That's my husband. You gotta move.
Side eye.
I got it on video. Oh my God! Winnie! Stop!
Ow!
You've been amazing. It's definitely really.
Wanna go get some ice cream? Found it.
All the way. Come here.
Lucy? Lucy, do you want to eat? You want to eat?
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama!
You're terrified.
Wow!
You are not going back outside.
I got it on film.
Does it smell yucky? Oh, okay.